I bought and tested 2 of Amazon's most popular storage bags for travel. I tell you everything you could possibly need to know about them. Both are very similar, but there are some major differences that might sway you one way or the other. I'm going to cover all that for you. And note, you could get all of these in different sizes, different quantities. We have a ton of different options. So we just got the kind of the variety packs, but you could buy just the size that you want, whatever you want to do. So we're looking at the Nicetree storage bags right over here. And then we are looking at the SUOCO storage bags right over here. I'm going to run through each one. We're going to put them to the test. I'm going to show you what they will do. This suitcase, we could get like 3 or 4 times the amount in here. Once we shrink this stuff down, and then I'll go head to head exactly everything. So let's start with the Nicetree ones right over here. This is going to be our rechargeable vacuum sealer. You get about, I would call it like 90 to 100 actual uses out of this before having to charge it. It does come with this nice little cable over here and these clips right over there. And it comes with this travel carry bag, which is really, really nice. For here, you're going to get, this is going to be 24 inches right over here. You're going to get 6 of these, 6 of the 28-inch. These are great for pillows, blankets, stuff like that, the bigger stuff. And then we have this one right over here, which is 20 inches. That's going to be great for like shirts. I'm going to do a bunch of shorts. We're going to do 4 pairs of shorts, and I'm going to show you exactly what that looks like in here. I really like it, super powerful. This one right here is going to be the SUOCO. We're going to get an 8 20-inch, 4 24-inch, and 4 28-inch. So the bags are the similar sizes. This is what these bags look like right over here. So you can see here, this is the 24. And then this is the 20. And then we have the 28, the big guy right over here. So let's get these going and we'll see what happens. Okay, and for this one right over here, we also have a pump right over here, the clips as well, and also the charger. All right, so let's get these going right over here. So what I like to do when I am doing this stuff right over here, I know we're trying to take air out, but I like to bring some air in, so it's just easier to grab. We got 4 pairs of shorts right over here. We're just gonna put these. It's easier to do if you put them in folded versus just like a big clump. So we're just going to put that in just like that. We're going to seal this. It's easier to do it kind of like this. We're just going to kind of go like this. It's just like a Ziploc bag, really. And then at the very end here, you're just going to go grab that, start to get some of that out just to get it going. You don't have to do that. It's just going to seal quicker. It's going to take about 15 seconds to about 30 seconds. Depending on how flat you want it to get. So same idea here. We're gonna have to do that. Both of these are very durable. You don't have to worry about water getting in or dust or anything like that, which is really nice. So another 4 pairs right over here. Just gonna get this opened. And it's much easier, like I said, to do on a table just to kind of get them in there. And then we're just gonna get that situated. And then we're just gonna zip this up. All these have max fill lines as well. You'll see this one right over here says that. We're going to see which one. All right, and then we're going to just get that air out right over here to finish it. And then for each one, we're going to take these clips just like this, and we're literally just going to put that on here. Just want to make sure it is good to go, because that will affect it if you don't do that. We're just going to use the same clip for this one. Now, you will notice one of the things here for the SUOCO one, a little bit darker on the front right over here, light on the back. And then this one right over here, same idea, but a little lighter on the front. So let's get this going right over here. We're going to put this one like this. So that's the Nicetree. Now, to speed this up, you could definitely push down a little bit to get this going. All right, so this is kind of the results we got going on right over here. That's what they took them down to. I don't know if there's a major difference between the two of them right over here. They both did a really good job. It was pretty quick, but this is the difference in the suitcase. When you put these in the suitcase just like this, you could see right over here, you could get another 4 of these bags in here easily. So it's like, I don't know, 4 times the amount of stuff that we'd normally be able to get in here. So now, like, kind of let's do a quick head-to-head comparison here. I would say the Nicetree ones are going to be better for you if you kind of want to be able to see a little bit better what is in the bag from all sides. You'll see with these right over here, the SUOCO ones or whatever, they are a little darker in the front, but they are both clear in the back. In terms of measurements, you have a measurement on this one right over here. So you got to have like a little ruler over here. This one, you kind of have a ruler, but there are no like measurements on it. So that's something to note. They do come in all different sizes and quantities. So that's not really kind of an issue. In terms of the pumps, so I think the Nicetree pump is a little smaller than this one, or a little smaller than this one. Both powerful, both have the same amount of juice you saw, and they are both rechargeable as well. Like I said, you can't really go wrong with either one of these. They both come with travel pouches as well. Very, very happy with these. Literally, once you shrink everything down, you literally just throw this in the suitcase with you, so you don't have to worry about that. I hope you found this helpful and you find the right travel bags for you. Again, can't really go wrong with either one of these. You kind of saw they did a really good job shrinking these both down. I don't know if there's really a noticeable difference in each. And again, it's just really going to depend on what sizes you want, what quantities you want. But both really, really solid. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and I hope you find the right travel bags for you.